Founded in 2002 and headquartered in Hong Kong, Zhuoke Intelligent has established branches in Shenzhen, Dongguan, and Henan. With an extensive global presence, the company boasts large-scale R&D centers, production bases, and partnerships. Our goal is to become the world's foremost provider of advanced coding equipment solutions, currently collaborating with over 1,000 global companies. Zhuoke Intelligent excels in equipment manufacturing and builds a robust technology R&D team. Our mission is centered on intelligence, efficiency, environmental protection, and energy conservation, striving to be an enterprise that provides values to clients. Zhuoke Intelligent has received more than 20 honors, such as being recognized as a high and new tech enterprise in a specialized, sophisticated, distinctive, and innovative enterprise, and more. We hold ISO 9001 and SGS system certifications and are authorized by Yaskawa in Thailand. Additionally, the company holds 86 patents. Our IoT technology and cloud-based remote monitoring products ensure uninterrupted operations for our clients. We have established long-term partnerships with global brands such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, BYD, Chery, Geely, and GWM in the automotive industry. Water-based paint smart coating protection lines are favored by leading companies like Media, Hail, and Green, as well as their users. Zhuoke Intelligent also provides intelligent coating protection lines for enterprises like Sanyi Heavy Industry, Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy, and CRRC. Waste gases treated by our developed RTO and RCO environmental protection equipment meet national emission standards.